Tony has been snoring ever since we've been together, which is 17 years.
Well, I think I've disturbed her a lot for a couple of years, 17 years, I guess. The snoring, actually, it's a two-way thing. It's not just disturbing others, but even for me, it's a health issue. You get quantity sleep. You might sleep for 8-10 hours, but you don't get quality sleep.
It interrupted my sleep. Every morning, I'll be very stressful. I can't focus on my work, day-to-day life, not taking care of my kids. So this is the issue every day I face.
After a couple of sittings, consultation, I did my sleep study at Health City. And the best part is that we knew that I had sleep apnea. For my sleep apnea, I was prescribed a CPAP machine, which is it's a small machine that gives you continuous positive air pressure, which keeps your airways open all the time throughout the night and doesn't allow you to choke. And it helps you with the snoring also, which doesn't interrupt your sleep and you sleep much better.
This CPAP machine is a great blessing for myself and Tony because we both sleep very peacefully and start our day with more energy.
Initially, it took a few days for me to get used to it, but honestly, that machine has changed my life. My sleep pattern, I feel a lot more energized and have enough and more energy for the whole day. Best of it is my wife sleeps well, we sleep well, she sleeps like a queen. And happy wife, happy life.
Thank you so much, Dr. Achita, for treating Tony. Now we both are sleeping better.
Sleep is very important. And I thank Health City for giving me the right tools to get a better night's sleep. Thank you, Health City. Sorry.